Optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully discharged battery requires up to 50 minutes to charge from 0 to 50% and up to 104 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The device has a standby time of up to 12.5 days and a use talk time of up to 33 hours. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar, then select the Settings icon. Select Device Maintenance. Select Battery. Select Battery Usage. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed. To view the battery usage details of a particular app or feature, select the app or feature under Recent Battery Usage. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, select MID or Max, then select Apply. To access more display options, from the settings screen, select Display. To enable auto brightness, select the auto brightness switch. Lower the device's screen brightness by selecting and dragging the slider to the left. To set a shorter screen timeout, scroll to and select Screen Timeout, then select the desired option. To turn off live wallpapers, from the settings screen, select Wallpapers and Themes, then navigate to and select the desired option that is not a live wallpaper. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar with 2 fingers. If enabled, select Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to turn them off. Swipe left to the second page of Quick Settings, then select NFC and Location Services to turn them off. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon, then select Settings. Select Auto Update Apps, then select Do Not Auto Update Apps. To turn off Auto Sync, from the settings screen, scroll to and select Clouds and Account. Select Accounts. Select the menu icon, then select Turn Off Auto Sync. Select OK. If disabling Auto Sync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar, then select Airplane Mode. Select Turn On.